Hi, welcome to the Pod Tips Brazil channel. And in today's video I'm going to talk about the design style called cottagecore. I will also show you some products containing this style. Please do not copy these designs. Use them only to learn about cottagecore. Just use them as inspiration to create your own designs within this beautiful trend. If you're new to the countryside, you may have never heard the term cottagecore when reading about the different types of aesthetics. So, what is cottagecore? And why has it risen in popularity as of late? Good questions. The ideas surrounding cottagecore started to grow around the 2010. You saw barn weddings, vintage lace, and a rise in the spotlight on local artisans. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the cottagecore trend and offer some inspo for your next design. Cottagecore style takes people back to the English countryside, where romanticism, nostalgia, and a simpler way of life still exist. Perhaps you've participated in the cottagecore aesthetic without even knowing it. Some activities might include nursing that sourdough starter on your counter, planting a beautiful garden, or learning how to knit or make other crafts inspired by the days of yore. Of course, this is only the tip of the cottagecore iceberg. Now, dive into the key characteristics of cottagecore and see you how to make your cottagecore dreams come true. Key characteristics of cottagecore. Some of the specific colors in this aesthetic are earthy, of course. Think greens, blues, yellows, creams, and off-whites, like your favorite dreamy watercolor landscape. Key motifs in cottagecore. Some of the key motifs in cottagecore are nature-related, like wildflowers, pies cooling on the windowsill, lace, vintage decor, gingham, and definitely quaint cottages. Key values of cottagecore. Some of the key values of this aesthetic include living sustainably, romanticism for the simpler life, slow living, gardening, and doing more with less. Cottagecore symbolizes everything that is warm, comfortable, and whimsical. It helps us to cherish the simple things in life and is a hugely calming space to escape to in what can be a fraught and harsh world. Now that you've learned about this trend, how about putting it into practice? Create designs for Redbubble using this beautiful design style.